When the foghorn blows. Little girls dance in puddles when the foghorn blows. When the foghorn blows, and you walk under the trees, the wind blows water droplets on your head, waking you up to the crisp morning when the foghorn blows. The world slows down a bit when the foghorn blows. Your imagination takes over when the foghorn blows. Tiger lilies are orange and roses are red when the foghorn blows.
I like that.
Colors are more vibrant against the gray backdrop when the foghorn blows. What are some things that you can remember when the foghorn blows?
That's cool.
There's cool breezes in the summer days when the foghorn blows. And everybody looks for a rainbow and wishes to find one when the foghorn blows. When the foghorn blows, the birds sing happily. When the foghorn blows. When the foghorn blows, I feel love in my heart. Warm and refreshed. I see the world a bit differently when the foghorn blows. When the foghorn blows, fantasies take me away. To a world that's a little more gray. Yet the colors are saturated and vibrant when the foghorn blows. I step with a slide, a quick, cautious momentum like a long distance runner. I remember running in the rain when the foghorns blow. The light sparkles around me. Reflecting off the sidewalks. The greenery is lush. And I'm reminded of Ireland when the foghorns blow. When the foghorns blow, I feel a bit more romantic. Nostalgic. And my heart is lifted to a new lightness when the foghorns blow. The cars passing by make a swish sound like the river in my happy place. In upstate New York, off Route 17, not far from Hancock. It's cool and invigorating. Always in motion. And wet. It's wet when the foghorns blow.